Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get units in Marvel Contest of Champions. Units are the premium currency, crucial for game progression, allowing you to buy important items, revive champions, and unlock powerful masteries. We'll cover both free-to-play strategies and efficient ways to purchase units, ensuring you maximize your in-game resources. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to consistently build your unit stash and enhance your gameplay experience. Many free avenues exist for earning units. Daily quests often provide 5 to 10 units, while completing weekly objectives can yield up to 50 units. Alliance events, like Alliance Wars and Alliance Quests, frequently offer unit rewards for participation and performance. Additionally, exploring new story content and event quests for the first time grants significant unit bonuses, sometimes hundreds of units per chapter, making exploration highly rewarding. For those looking to accelerate their unit collection, purchasing is an option. The in-game store offers unit packs ranging from a few hundred to several thousand units. Keep an eye out for special bundles, especially around holidays or major updates, as these often provide excellent value with bonus items alongside units. Consider a monthly unit card, which delivers a daily unit stipend for 30 days, offering a great return on investment over time. Effective unit management is key to long-term success. Prioritize spending units on unlocking and upgrading essential masteries, such as parry or dexterity, which offer substantial gameplay advantages. Save units for critical moments, like purchasing energy, refills to push through a challenging event, or buying a specific catalyst needed for rank ups. Resist the urge for impulsive purchases. Instead, focus on strategic investments that will truly enhance your overall game experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.